Trish, what's your tip on resilience for today?
My tip today is to take charge of your mental ecosystem.
Wow. What does that mean exactly?
Well, Donna, you know how the environment works in an ecosystem where each animal has a place in it, and there's the air, the sky, the water, the condensation, and those sorts of things?
Yeah.
Well, you know how if poison gets into a river, it can affect the fish, it can affect everything in there, and then eventually the people who eat them. In the same way, we can have parts of our lives going great, but if we're not getting along with someone and we start thinking poisonous thoughts about them, the poison actually comes back into us and it becomes a bigger thing, and it can actually spread and poison all the rest of the parts of our life. So we have been ruthless about keeping our mental ecosystem clear and healthy. So that means not letting negativity come in and change the way we think about things so that we feel bad. We're going to protect that by staying positive and finding solutions to problems. Doesn't mean you ignore the problem, but we find solutions to the problem.
So I guess it's like creating a little shift in your brain that says, hang on a minute, here's something that has the potential to make me feel bad. I want to flick a switch and take myself from emotional mode to practical mode.
Yep, leave the room, turn the TV off. How much news do you need to watch? So you're not putting your head in the sand, but it's like, thank you, got that, back to what's working in my life.
Awesome. That's a great tip. Thanks so much. Have a great day.